What if I told you, you could create a full cinematic music video using just AI? No music skills, no filming, and no budget. 2 months ago, I released a tutorial showing how to make AI-generated music videos. It became super popular, but that tutorial only focused on making short-form content, like YouTube Shorts or TikToks. Lately, a lot of you have asked, how do I make a full-length AI music MV, like this channel does? And I get it. Music connects people all around the world. No matter where you're from, music brings us closer. Languages might divide us, but music never does. So in this video, I'll walk you step by step through how to create a complete AI-generated music MV. Now, compared to shorts, this is much more complex. We'll be using more tools, but if you stay till the end, you won't miss a single detail, and I promise you'll be able to make your own MV by the time we're done. This is not just theory. I'll actually show you every tool, every step, live. But first, let's take a quick preview of the MV I created.
I see you in the morning light, your shadow where you used to lie. The air still holds your name somehow, but time won't let me bring you back now. We said forever in the dark, but silence tore us both apart. I reach for you with empty hands, you slip through like golden sand. You're fading in the silence, like a whisper I can't find. You're haunting every moment, still dancing through my mind.
Just a glimpse for now. The full version is at the end of the video, so your time isn't wasted. Alright, let's begin. Step 1. Song creation. Let me ask you, what do we need for a music MV? Right, a complete song. Storyboard and visual concept images, video sequences based on those visuals, lip sync, and final editing. Sounds complicated, right? Don't worry, we'll break it down with AI, step by step. Just looks hard. Okay, it is hard, but fun. Let's start with the lyrics. If you're a songwriter, that's awesome. But I'm not, so I asked ChatGPT to help. Just type in your prompt. Boom. ChatGPT gave me a full song instantly. Looks good. We'll use this one for demo purposes. Now, since I'm using Suno AI to generate the track, I also need a Suno prompt. ChatGPT helps with that too. Just tell it the theme and vibe you want. Reminder: Suno prompts must be under 200 characters, so include that in your request. Now we've got lyrics plus a Suno prompt. Step 2. Generate the song. Copy the lyrics into Suno AI. Click Create on the right. Paste your lyrics, then paste the Suno prompt under Styles. Hit Generate. Give it a listen.
I see you in the morning light.
Not happy? Regenerate. Found the one I like. This is our song. Now, let's work on visuals. Step 3. Storyboard and image generation. Back to ChatGPT. In the same chat, ask it to create 10 image prompts plus matching animation prompts for your MV. Make sure to include character consistency, hair color, skin tone, eye color, outfit, etc. ChatGPT gives you a full storyboard with prompts. Of course, 10 is just a demo. You can make more or fewer based on your needs. Bonus: I'll share all the prompts I used for free in my Discord. Check the link in the video description. Now, image generation. I use Dreamina for images. Why? Because it's great at maintaining character consistency, and you get 120 free credits daily, which is usually enough. Paste the first image prompt into Dreamina. Choose AI image, set to 3.1 mode, aspect ratio 16:9, click Generate. Nice, we got our first image. Click Upscale, then Edit on Canvas, and finally Export. Now you have an HD, watermark-free image. Here's the key part: maintaining consistency. Upload the first image as a reference. Switch to character mode. Paste the second storyboard prompt. That's it. Every new image will match the first character. Click Upscale, Save, and repeat for all your storyboard images. Now we've got a song, a character, a full storyboard of images. Step 4. Turn images into video. You can use Dreamina for this step, but free users may run out of credits. So here's another tool I recommend: FlexClip. I use it a lot lately. Simple and powerful. Click AI, then AI, image to video. Upload your image. Paste your animation prompt. Choose professional mode. Set duration to 10 seconds. Hit generate. Wait 5 to 10 minutes. Boom, your video is ready. Looks good, right? Now repeat this for each image. The process is the same. I won't repeat it all. Let's jump ahead and look at the final video clips. Now we've got a song, images, video clips. Step 5, lip sync. Here's the truth. You don't need every clip to be lip synced. Just syncing a few key scenes is enough. I'll show you 2 methods. Method 1, Kling AI. Upload your video clip. Then upload your audio. Just a 10-second segment. Here's the result. Important. Since our video clip is only 10 seconds, our audio clip must be trimmed to match. To trim, I use CapCut. Drop the full song in. Click Mark Beat. Play and split using Command+B. Select the section you want for lip sync. Delete the rest. Export as MP3, not MP4. Repeat for each segment you want lip synced. Method 2, Hedra. This tool lets you sync audio to just an image. Max length, 20 seconds. Open Hedra, click Video, paste your prompt, upload your image. Upload your audio. Click Send. Some people say free Hedra doesn't work for them. Maybe it's regional, I'm not sure, but it works fine for me. Now you've got song, images, videos, lip sync videos. One last step remains. Step 6, final edit. For editing, I still use CapCut, but use whatever you're comfortable with. Just drag in your song and all video clips. Arrange in your preferred order. I added fade black transitions and a clear 2 filter to polish the look. Then use auto lyrics, not auto captions, to generate synced lyrics. Once you're happy with the timeline, export the final video. That's it. Your AI-generated MV is complete. Recap. Here's the full tool list. Lyrics, prompts, using ChatGPT. Song generation, using Suno AI. Images, using Dreamina AI. Video clips, using FlexClip. Lip sync, Kling or Hedra. Final edit, using CapCut. All tool links are in the video description. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a like, share it, and subscribe. That really helps me keep creating more cool content for you. If you have any questions or want other tutorials, drop a comment below. See you in the next video, and now, stay tuned for the full MV at the end.
I see you in the morning light, your shadow where you used to lie. The air still holds your name somehow, but time won't let me bring you back now. We said forever in the dark, but silence tore us both apart. I reach for you with empty hands, you slip through like golden sand. You're fading in the silence, like a whisper I can't find. You're haunting every moment, still dancing through my mind. No tears left in the twilight, no words to make it right. You're fading, just fading in the silence tonight. Your voice still lingers in the rain, soft echoes I can't chase away. A photograph that starts to blur, a love that never truly was. I thought I saw you in a dream, but nothing's ever what it seems. I called your name, the wind just sighed, another ghost that passed me by. You're fading in the silence, like a whisper I can't find. You're haunting every moment, still dancing through my mind. No tears left in the twilight, no words to make it right. You're fading, just fading in the silence tonight. Your voice still lingers in